Though DJI is yet to take the stage for the DJI Mini 5 Pro, however, thanks to multiple reliable leaks for already providing the clearest look at the drone and its accessories as well as its key details. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So this tiny drone, which is said to be only 250 grams, its packaging images confirmed some of its long rumored upgrades. However, let's first have a look what will be inside the box. So as per the leaked image, inside the box, of course there will be a DJI Mini 5 Pro, an RC2 controller, charging hub, ND filter set, and instead of regular batteries, there will be 3 Flight Battery Plus batteries, which is giving us the guess that it is the image of a Fly Mode Combo Plus packaging box. We have already seen it earlier from the front. Now, one of the most exciting parts of the Mini 5 Pro is the new type of propellers. So, good thing, there will be no more those tiny annoying screws. All you need to do, just press and click to replace the propeller. Now, coming to the feature side, finally the Mini series is also getting a LiDAR sensor, which will offer a 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Of course, this will greatly improve the obstacle sensing capabilities of the Mini 5 Pro over its predecessor. Next, it seems like DJI took a good care of the battery department. So, there will be a basic intelligent flight battery at 2785 mAh, a tiny bump from the Mini 4 Pro's 2590 mAh. Then an intelligent Flight Plus battery at 3350 mAh, which is though lower than the Mini 4 Pro's 3850 mAh. However, despite this, according to the leaked box details, the Mini 5 Pro offer a flight of around 52 minutes, so around a good 15% higher than the Mini 4 Pros. Not just this, as per reports, DJI also dropped the battery pricing significantly. Now, the standard battery will be $69, a drop from $99, and plus battery at $99, a drop from $149. Moving forward, the box also revealed the Mini 5 Pro will have a huge 1-inch CMOS sensor size. This is a significant jump over the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3 inches. A bigger sensor can capture more light, so this means you can take crisp shots during golden hours and especially in low light situations. Also, there will be a 120 fps slow-mo recording in 4K and 48mm telephoto setting, most likely through cropping. Further, the gimbal now rotates 225 degrees, so offering a true vertical shooting. Anyway, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is tipped to debut on the 16th of September with these solid upgrades. Let me know your thoughts on this, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.